Welcome to the Data Barracks Classroom. My name's George, and today we're going to be looking at the differences between time-based backup policies versus, say, generational-based backup policies. Time-based policies are better known with tape backup software, where you take a backup on, say, either a nightly basis or a weekly basis, and you store that for a period of time before maybe recycling the tapes. Generational backup policies are better known with incremental backup software. These are more associated with cloud backup, where you take a full backup the first time, and then you take forever incrementals. This is really good for keeping the backup storage quite low, and it means you're only storing what you use. Time-based backup policies can be really useful when using a forever incremental backup if you need to keep data for an extended period of time. This may be due to compliance, where you need to potentially keep backup data for up to 7 years. Instead of having to keep every single backup you've ever had, and of course that would mean keeping a very large amount of data, and of course making the storage grow heavily, you could use a time-based backup policy. It means you have your incrementals, so say your last 7 days incrementally kept, so you can roll back at any point. You then have your master backup or final backup taken for the week, which would be, say, a snapshot. This is then kept for 4 weeks, which therefore means you have a month. At the end of the month, you could keep that copy, and you could keep that up to 12 months. And after 12 months, you could keep the 12th edition for, say, up to 7 years before removing it. One of the advantages of cloud-based backup software is the ability to automate all of this. So instead of having to worry about taking a full backup at the end of each week, or indeed having to take a full backup at the end of each month, what you can do is you can set up an automated rule that tells the software, take the latest edition of that file that I have on, say, the Friday, and keep that file reserved. It can then do that 4 times, and then you can have a next rule in place that says at the end of the month, keep the latest edition of the file that I have and keep that for 12 months. You can then say at the 12th month, whatever I have at that point, keep that 12th edition only for 7 years. And by doing this, this can help keep control of your backup storage.